Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Would you like to change yourself in the month of Ramadan, the training month? Please spend a minute with me to understand how to transform yourself in this training camp. Modern psychology affirms a person can initiate a meaningful transformation in his life within 30 days of focused training. There are three major game changers in our life. Number one is convictions, the belief system. Convictions form the foundation of all thoughts and decisions. What a person truly believes determines how they see themselves, others, and the world. Second major thing is interests and use of time. Your interests reveal your priorities, and how you spend your time shapes your future. Third major thing is relationships. Relationships have a powerful influence on the mindset and character. The people you surround yourself with affect your thoughts, habits, and the direction. So please change yourself in these three regards. You will be transformed in positive manner.